Rising top. The yarn is 3 times as long for him. Just break the yarn here. Afterwards, pull the yarn straight out. Thread the reserved yarn into the needle. When you're done, we'll start closing the top of the head. Start by tying a knot in the beginning of this yarn. Okay, we'll start going left. Look at where we put the needle. Start a little to the left of the nearest V. This is the first entry point. 1 row down. Here you can see a neat row of V's. A little to his left. This place in the middle. Get the needle in here. 1 more V. A little to the left of center. This repeatedly brings out the yarn. He's still got a hole in the center. It's not that tight, is it? Let's go through it again. Place a needle in each of these protrusions. Come on, we're almost done. This row might be a little tight. Stretch him after you've sewn a circle like this. It's very tight in the center. Then feel free to put it on in the center. A few more stitches. Lock this down a little more. Through this yarn. There's a knot so that it's okay to start the needle anywhere. Mostly, I'm afraid this yarn will open up. Put it through and lock it in place and get another stitch. Okay, here's where you just break the yarn. After that, turn the brim over. It's done. This is where we sew the 2 pieces together. So when you sew the 2 pieces together, it can be sewn loosely. When you sew it loosely, it'll be seamless. Well, that concludes this installment of the tutorial. I'll see you next time.